Hi guys. So today we will be hunting for this bird that keeps attacking my playground. See? Attacking my playground. So I have a oar from my kayaks, and I shall make sure this bird never comes back to attack my playground. And
So you still hunting that bird?
yeah, because I want to, and it keeps attacking my playground. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So guys, let's try to find this evil bird that keeps attacking my playground. There it is. I see it. It has a worm in its mouth. It's kind of hard to see. Somewhere right there. Bird, I am ready for this battle. Okay. So now it's time to video me battling this bird. Wait, where did it just go? Dang it, I lost it. I lost the bird. Dang it. Where did it go? I sucked. It's coming around this way. Oh, bird! Where are you, bird? Bird, I know you're here. Bird! Where did you go, bird? This bird has not attacked in like 5 minutes. For like 5 minutes. So, I wonder what it's up to. Maybe making another attack plan. Oh, there's 2 of them. There's 2 of them. There's 2 of them. Trying to attack my playground. Okay, guys. This is the part where you watch. Okay. So, okay. So I'm gonna put this right here. I think that's good. Can't turn my back on those evil birds. Okay, there. Bird! I'm here for the battle. So is it around back again? Back, bird.
I'll see you later, Bobbin. Bye. I'll see you later. Bye.
Jaden, I'm still fighting the birds.
Why?
Because
Don't
now there's
fight the birds. Become friends with them.
no.
What?
Now there's 2 of them. There's 2 of the birds. Hey! You're attacking my playground. See? It's on that little monkey bar. Get off my playground! It's attacking. Evil birds! Get away from my playground! And get away from my family. You know, it's really hard to do this with my tablet in my hand. So, I'm just gonna, set this down somewhere. But first I gotta slide down the slide. Come on, birds! Okay. Let's see. Hopefully whoa. Bird? Oh gosh, I just heard a bird. no. Okay. The place is under attack. Let's see. Where is that bird? Where is it? Oh, bird! Oh, that's just a butterfly. Okay. Come on, little... There you are. I see you, bird! Get away from my playground! I see you. You think you can hide from me? Get away. Shoot away that bird. Just make sure I don't turn my back on wildlife. Okay. I think it's gone. Hey! Get away from my playground! Okay. Do you guys see it on that little tree thing? Ah! See it? See it? Get away, bird! Okay. Okay. I think this video's over with. Now, bye-bye, birds.